Welcome to Innovation Explorers. Experience the captivating realm of innovation, design, science, and technology, architecture, and the influence of technology. The growth of architecture is necessary. Designers wouldn't be able to meet the industry's more complex needs without new technologies. Since ancient civilizations first started to stack stones, architectural technological advancements have paved the path for architects. This fact is more relevant today than ever thanks to clever technology that can quickly sort through data. Since Vitruvius, we have witnessed technology improve architectural design in both theory and practice. Our trade will always change, and as long as designers like us are still developing, there will always be work to be done. Utilizing cutting-edge technology to enhance and strengthen architectural design has several benefits. As technology advances, it enables us to think more imaginatively and translate those ideas from our heads to the screen or a 3D print. We're capable of. A true-to-life visualization can help you more effectively convince someone to buy into your vision. Whether you're pitching your team, gaining clients, or talking to real estate experts, customers and buyers have the option to interact with a 3D print of their prospective home or don virtual reality goggles to watch construction plans come to life. Through this engaging experience, consumers are more closely connected to the finished product than ever. Reduce project costs. Clients can identify areas they'd like to improve before building begins by using technology like virtual reality or 3D printing. For everyone concerned, the process becomes more convenient and affordable the earlier you recognize these changes. Collaboration can be made easier thanks to technological developments like Building Information Modeling, BIM, which keeps all project participants informed at all times. Before any cutting or welding is done, engineers, designers, and architects can utilize a BIM program to confirm that their detailed drawings are in harmony. Learn more about 7 architecture technologies and how they've changed the field by reading on BIM or Building Information Modeling. BIM enables engineers, architects, contractors, and clients to work together within a shared ecosystem by streamlining all building plans. BIM keeps track of projects at every stage of their development, from planning and design to building and beyond. There are fewer errors and inaccuracies because it promotes collaboration through a centralized communication and reporting mechanism. Additionally, BIM enables access to data in various forms, such as tables and 3D models, renderings and animations. Floor plans and still pictures of a building were formerly all you could see. A room may now be created and designed by architects that resembles a final product even before the first literal brick is laid thanks to animations and 3D renderings. Before building work starts, 3D digital renderings allow clients to preview how a place will seem at scale size, including textures, lighting, and colors. Architects can use animation to create virtual tours that allow clients to visit a variety of rooms in addition to 3D models. Virtual staging brings a location to life with texture and color, together with architectural representations and animations, assisting clients in visualizing themselves in the space. Internet of Things. Connecting conventionally dumb things to the Internet is referred to as the Internet of Things, IoT. You may already have IoT-connected devices in your home if you are an owner. For instance, many houses already have smart thermostats, video doorbells, and personal assistants like Alexa. IoT is currently driving trends throughout the entire ecosystem of design and construction. This is how Building Information Modeling, BIM, with sensors, BIM simplifies the building designs and produces an intelligent 3D representation of the building. This enables all plans to update simultaneously, ensuring that no one will be left out of the process. What role does the IoT play in this? Sensors are now able to measure a variety of things in buildings, including energy consumption, temperature trends, foot movement, and more. These sensors will gather data, which we can analyze alongside BIM blueprints to enhance the next structures. Growing more greenery in the world. Buildings are responsible for 40% of CO2 emissions. Finding solutions to make our buildings more environmentally friendly is essential because this percentage exceeds that of both the transportation and industrial sectors of society. By eliminating the need for humans to turn off machinery and HVAC systems, which will have a significant influence on energy usage, designing a building with IoT in mind could help us decrease waste. Notably, it is now possible to build an architecture that moves and adapts to human behavior and weather patterns. Additionally, we are able to monitor our buildings even more closely than previously thanks to the Internet of Things. Prefabrication transformation. Prefabrication will regain prominence if RFID technology becomes more widely used. Companies will find it much simpler to follow parts through the supply chain. Furthermore, the coordination process will be made simpler by the simplicity of tracking. As a designer, you may get ready for a prefab revolution that goes beyond consumer housing by being aware of this. Whether or not you, as an architect, think this would improve design, it will surely cut down on construction waste. AI, artificial intelligence. More than just putting pen to paper is involved in the planning and design of a building. To design and build structures, architects must handle a vast amount of data. As a developing technology, AI has been helpful to architects by guiding them through mountains of data and supporting analytics that help estimate various construction-related costs. Creative generating. Utilizing a set of algorithms, generative design uses AI to generate a wide range of design alternatives. With generative design, architects can generate numerous designs from a single concept or set of specifications, such as a spending limit, a list of materials, or a list of construction methods. In order to improve accuracy and precision, generative design can learn from each design as a smart architecture technology. 3D printing. 3D printing is another example of technology helping architects. Smaller machine parts are the most typical applications for 3D printing. 3D printing is a tool that architects use to make models of structures that are still in the planning and design stages. When building models, it saves time and work, especially if a client modifies or updates the blueprints. These models are high quality and customizable in a variety of materials and colors because of modern printing technology. Virtual reality. People can visually engage with a space in 3D via virtual reality. Virtual reality is a popular technology for social networking and games, but architects may also use it to display 3D simulations of their projects. While virtual tours will never lose their appeal, allowing customers to really walk through a place, even through a VR headset, can be extremely beneficial throughout the planning and design stage and can even help you save money and time on modest adjustments. Digital sketchbooks. Even though technology is fundamentally altering the architectural field, drawing is still relevant today. Instead, digital sketchbooks that make it simple to save and organize drawings have been created as a result of technology adapting to architects' needs to use physical drawing instruments. Additionally, using digital sketchbooks makes it easier to present and transmit concepts to clients and co-workers for feedback.